insane because all it is a phone and some free time. And today in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started on it today. So what's so insane about this method is you can genuinely start part-time and make $50 to $500 an hour working when you want, where you want, how you want, and all you need is a phone. But there's still the opportunity to make over 6 figures a month profit if you work full-time. I want to make a couple promises. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to make at least $50 to $100 an hour using your phone. I will not insult your intelligence. None of this is me making crazy claims. This is all real. I've done it myself. I've seen it myself. Next is you can achieve financial, time, and location freedom from doing this. And it is currently the easiest way to make money online. I back that personally with my name. Really quick, I have to set the stage of who I am, what I know about this opportunity, and why it's the absolute best. I'll get through this as quick as I can. So if you don't know, my name's Jordan Bound. I have a pretty large following online with a ton of different side accounts. Like none of these are my main accounts. This is Jordan Bound Life, Jordan Bound Reels, The Jordan Bound, Jordan Scholar. This YouTube channel has 105,000 subscribers. These are some of the top videos: 14, 10, 8, 5, 4, 2 million, like tons of views. This is my personal TikTok in the last week. And all this is just to say that I know how to make videos online. And that's really been like the backbone of my success, even with dropshipping. So I started dropshipping in 2016. And what really kind of put me on the map, I guess, was I made a free 18-hour course that got like 5 million views on YouTube. It got me on billboards. I had 1 million people sign up for my free course platform. Went on podcasts with Mike Thurston. It was pretty crazy. My journey started in technically like 2014, but I didn't really start taking sales seriously until like 2016, 2017. I made millions of dollars online, and I even taught people for free and they made millions. This is one of my students, Chevy. He made $1 million in 30 days and he's a coach in one of our dropshipping communities. And this is my first student ever. He crossed 1 million in sales on his store as well. And all of this is just to say that I know what I'm doing with dropshipping. I've built a name and a career in this space for a very long time. And I've even consulted other brands and done their content creation. This is a company I worked with, Turning Hearts, and in my 30 days of working with them, filming my own content, editing it, and posting it on their account, these are the views we got in 30 days. 26 million, 1 million, 2.4, 4.3, 7.9, and 22 million. These were back to back. This got 6 figures in profit easily with a link in bio in the 30-day time period. And this is what I was talking about when I say my ability to make content and videos is the main reason I've been successful with dropshipping. But let's talk about the ugly truth of dropshipping very quickly. And I don't say this to discourage people from dropshipping because it's still an amazing pursuit, but I really just have to paint this picture for you quickly. This is one of my stores I did 1.9 million on dropshipping profit margins. If you're doing good, your ads are profitable, they're performing well, you're constantly cycling in new content, you really know what you're doing, you're going to be getting a 20 to 30% profit margin max. So 20% of that on the low end is $385,000 on $2 million. Let's talk about what you have to do to make that money. Build a store, do product research for weeks or potentially even months if you can't find a winner. You create video ads for your product, pray they go viral on organic, and you have a link in bio to lean on as your ability to get sales, and the conversion rate is ridiculously bad. Then you realize all your money is really made on paid ads. You're not going to be making $1,000 a day profit unless you're on paid ads. So you get into paid ads, you're going to be losing money and you might spend 5 to 10K to actually get profitable. Then your ads stop performing well. So you have to film more ads. You have to hire people to make ads for you. You have to do customer support, chargebacks, email, and SMS marketing. And if you're really trying to scale up, you can run out of money to where you can't even grow your business because you're getting holds on your Shopify account. They're going to hold 25 to even 50% of your income sometimes. There's potential lawsuits, copyright issues because you don't own your product. There's legal and tax structures that are complex. And you really just have to start building a brand, customizing a product, ordering and managing inventory to get to that place where you're really creating something you can sell and you're actually making millions. And that has a lot of massive overhead risk. Like you can start losing money if your inventory doesn't sell out. You have to hire employees. If your ads start working and your marketing dries up, you can be in a very scary place. And that's a reality a lot of people are down to pursue because you can make hundreds of millions of dollars selling your brand, and that's amazing, but that's a lot of work. And I feel like 90% of people just want to make quick, easy money online and they don't want to go through all these steps, which is why I made this video. Got a lot of views in a pretty short time period. I think we're well over like 200K right now. But the reason I made this video is because if your goal is to make that easy, quick, fast money online, then dropshipping is not really the path for you. If your goal is to become an entrepreneur and run $1 million brands, then dropshipping is definitely the path for you. But right now, you can make that 20 to 30% profit creating the videos on TikTok Shop as a creator, which you have to do that anyway. Like that was the whole reason I was successful with dropshipping, is because I was good at making videos. And now I can just take that crazy range. There's people like Goalie that are running it